This is Aida. I will tell you something about my religion, Islam.
Hey, I don't care about your religion.
I know you don't, but just give me 5 minutes and I will tell you something, man.
Trust me, if you pay attention to me and think about what I will tell you, there is a chance something good will happen to you. So, will you listen to what I want to say? Okay? 5 minutes and you will not lose anything. Are you kidding? I don't want to listen to you. You are a Muslim. I don't care what a terrorist has to say.
Wait, who told you that? We're not terrorists. Maybe you think we are terrorists because of what happened in 9/11.
You are.
But we're not responsible for 9/11.
You are.
Hey, we're not.
The news tried to warp Islam, and the most of you believe the news. True Islam doesn't agree with killing people, and Allah said that in Quran.
أنه من قتل نفسا بغير نفس أو فساد في الأرض فكأنما قتل الناس جميعا.
You know, there are so many people who think the same way you think about Islam.
The Muslims are terrorists.
And they ask themselves, why does Islam say to kill people? But true Islam doesn't. And those who did investigate and look into
Have learned and have known what is true Islam.
the result, they converted to Islam.
Every year, 20,000 Americans are entering Islam. Why did they convert to Islam?
They found the truth in Islam and follow it. They found the peace in Islam. And you have to follow the truth. Because there are two ways after death, heaven or hell. You know that. My Christian friends, I want to tell you something. You say Jesus died for our sins. Okay, that means you can't do anything bad. Steal money, kill people, and not go to church and drinking, and just ask for forgiveness, and you will go to heaven. So, don't stop your doing bad, because you will go to heaven. You go to heaven despite doing sins. If you will say you must follow the 10 commandments, good, follow them, but you don't. Most Christian people don't follow the 10 commandments, and let me prove that to you. What is the first of the 10 commandments? Never have any other God. Did you say never have any other God except Jesus? No, it said never have any other God. But you say Jesus is God, and his Father is God. You have other God, you worship other God. You don't follow the first of the 10 commandments, never have any other God. So, why you don't follow the first of the 10 commandments? I want you to go to church and ask him there. Has Jesus said worship me in the Bible, or has Jesus said I am God? I challenge anyone to answer, yeah. You say Jesus is the Son of God. So pretend you have son, and there are people who want to kill your son. So what will you do? Will you let them kill your son? Impossible. Ask yourself, why did God let the Jewish people kill his son? Just think about it. Why is Islam the world's fastest growing religion? Just think about it. Why are so many priests and preachers entering Islam? Because they found the truth in Islam. They know about Christianity and Jesus and the Bible more than you. But they haven't known the truth in Islam. Maybe you heard there are priests that convert to Islam. But have you ever heard of a Muslim scholar that convert to another religion? This is because they see the truth Islam shows. Think about this point. Jesus doesn't have a father, but he has a mother. So, you say he is the son of God. Adam doesn't have a father or mother. Why you don't say Adam is the son of God?